Hi everyone, welcome to Learn Ekegusii with Boyani. Today we are going to look at the vowels in Ekegusii. Now in English, the vowels are 5, but in Ekegusii we have 7 vowel sounds. And these are the vowel sounds in Ekegusii. A, E, I, O, U. Repeat after me. A, E, I, O, U. Now let's look at the examples of words that begin with these vowels. For example, A is for ata. Ata. Ata means to break. E is for eta. Repeat after me. Eta. Eta means to pass. E is for ega. Ega means to seduce. I is for ita. Ita means to kill. O is for oga. That means to make noise. Oga. Then we have oma, to smear. Oma. Then we have u. An example of a word is uba. Uba. Uba means to reach a dead end. Uba. Congratulations. Now you know the vowels in Ekegusii. Can you please repeat them in the comment section? Thank you so much for learning Ekegusii with me. It's me, Boyani, at Learn Ekegusii with Boyani. Today we have learned the vowels. We started with the alphabets. So you can go back and check the lessons. They're available on YouTube and TikTok and Facebook. Kindly like, share, follow, subscribe, and always drop your thoughts in the comment section and let me know in your language how many vowels do you have. Do you have 5, or you have 7, or you have 10, or you have 14? How many vowels do you have? In the next lesson, we are going to learn how the way you speak the vowels brings totally different words and meanings in Ekegusii language. Stay tuned and see you in the next lesson. Thank you. Bye-bye.